Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you're new here, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on our future videos. So in today's video, we learn how to make very thin dori, which is usually attached to the blouse. And to this dori, we attach some latkans just to give it some fancy look. And sometimes this is also used when the blouse shoulder doesn't stay and when it keeps falling, just in case if the blouse is stitched with a wider shoulder. In such cases also we kind of attach this dori to the blouse uh, to make it fit well. So usually a lot of them make this dori, but it is too thick, but the one we are going to do today is extremely the thinnest dori you could make. So for this we are first cutting the cross piece from the blouse or the remaining fabric after stitching the blouse. So depending on the length you want, you will just have to attach these cross pieces like this and make one long dori. So this is the first piece, and then we'll also attach one more piece so that it adds to the length. So we'll have to stitch it like this. So you can make this kind of dori in any material you want. This is in the silk material because we are doing it for a blouse. So now once you have attached the pieces, you will have to open up the stitched part like this. Like just press it with the nail so that it is easier when we make this dori, inside out. So now fold it into equal half like this and then stitch it. Put one long stitch. So this step is what will decide the thickness of the dori. So if you leave like half an inch stitch, then your dori is going to be really wide. That is the reason we are giving this stitch at almost like 2 mm distance from the fold end. I will show you a close-up, so I hope you guys can see the stitch. So there is lot of fabric, so we'll trim a little, otherwise it's not going to be easy to turn the dori. So we are just trimming off the excess fabric and then we'll see how to turn it or reverse it, because whatever we are seeing now is the wrong side. So when you're folding the piece to make a stitch, you will have to fold the right side facing right side. So now using a tapestry needle or any fat needle, you'll have to add some thick cotton thread to it. If you don't have thick cotton thread, take more strands of the normal sewing thread and attach it to the corner of the dori like this, and then just slip all the fabric like this to the needle. Slide it as and how you feel the needle is full. So keep sliding it until we get the needle out. So once the needle is out, we'll have to attach it to something that can hold it, or you can ask somebody to hold it for you, and then we'll have to move all this like this so that the right side of the dori comes out. Just keep sliding all the fabric slowly like this. Now this is where it is important to crease that stitch, the stitch where we joined two pieces. If we don't do that, then it will get stuck and you will not be able to turn. So you can already see half the dori is out and the rest of it will be out very soon. So keep sliding and that's it. So if you want to make this a little thicker, then leave about half centimeter from the fold and then stitch on that line. Now since I wanted it really thin, we have done it at 2 mm distance from the fold end. So this is very easy to stitch. Do give it a try, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. In case you have not checked my blog naughtythreads.net, do check it out, and also let me know if you want to see more such videos on our channel. So in case you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs, please subscribe now. In this video, that's all I guess. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.